Chapter 13, Number 1. A person in a rocking chair completes 12 cycles in 21 seconds. What are the period and frequency of the rocking? So this is relatively straightforward. We know that the period is the number of seconds per cycle. So we have 21 seconds and 12 cycles. And so we get a period of 1.75 seconds, which is really 1.8 seconds because only 2 sig figs. And then part B, it's not really part B, but the second part of this says the frequency, and I can get that two ways. I can say it's the number of cycles in each second, which would be 12 cycles per 21 seconds, which is 0.5714 hertz, but really 0.57 hertz because 2 sig figs. Or, alternatively, I can say that the frequency is 1 over the period, so it's 1 over 1.8 seconds, which is 0.555 seconds, or 0.456 hertz. And you're like, you might be a little upset because they don't agree. But really, I probably should have kept the extra sig fig before doing the division. So I really should have said 1 over 1.75 seconds, which is 0.571 hertz, which is 0.57 hertz. And the lesson here might be that sig fig stuff is still a little fuzzy. You'll also notice that Walker keeps too many digits for the period. He keeps 1.75 unjustifiably according to the rules of sig fig, because the rules of sig fig are, as I said, a little fuzzy.